Coconut trees in Southeast Asia are the most widely cultivated. One of the Sagunga in Indonesia and especially in the Aceh region, the most tip of the island of Sumatra. The plants are fertile, the fruit is abundant and the coconuts are large. Coconuts can weigh up to 2 kilograms, or even more, depending on the type of coconut and its condition. Dwarf coconuts, for example, can produce larger and heavier fruit than regular coconuts. Further explanation. Size and weight variations. Coconuts vary in size and weight. Most coconuts weigh around 1.6 kilograms on average. However, there are types of coconuts such as dwarf coconuts that can produce larger and heavier fruit, even reaching 2 kilograms or more. Influencing factors. The size and weight of coconuts are influenced by several factors, including the type of coconut, soil and climate conditions, and coconut tree care. Dwarf coconuts. Dwarf coconuts are a variety of coconuts that bear fruit faster and produce more fruit than regular coconuts. In addition, dwarf coconuts also tend to be larger and heavier. Coconut trees. Coconut tree care can also affect the size and weight of the fruit. Well-maintained coconut trees, including adequate fertilization and pest control, tend to produce larger and heavier fruit.
Coconuts are very expensive now. The price in the market reaches 6,000 per kilogram. And coconuts are also one of the basic food needs for humans. Thank you.